Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode. I am Junaid and today we are diving into a very exciting new feature introduced in Flutter, the property editor. This is a brand new tool that's going to make your development experience a lot smoother, especially when you are working with complex widget and need to tweak properties quickly. So let's see what this update is all about, how it's work and why you should start using it in your Flutter workflow. The property editor is a new UI tool available in Flutter DevTools. It allows you to visually edit widget properties without touching code. Let me show you how to use it. Make sure you have updated your Flutter SDK to the latest version. Also, make sure you have updated your Android Studio or VS Code. You can see the Flutter property in the right side of the menu bar. Only you want to do move your cursor inside the widget tree and press any widget constructor like row, and you can see the row properties here, and you can easily change any property like main axis alignment dot center to, if I change this property space between, and you can see now main axis alignment changes automatically in the code. And you can easily change any property like cross axis alignment dot center to end, and you can see now immediately when you change from property editor, it can change from code also. And if I move the cursor from rows to size box, you can see now it automatically change the properties to size box, height and width. And you can easily change this property is from property editor. If I change 200 to 300 and press enter, you can see now height is changed to 300. But there is some limitation with property editor. If I press inside the text widget, you can see now there is no style properties. But if you type here style and provide the text style constructor, you can edit any property and add the decoration here, but you don't see any textile properties here. So there is some limitation. I think in future updates it will be add these properties also. Same with the container widget. If I add container, you can see now there is only three properties with height and clip behavior. But if I show the constructor here, there is multiple properties, but now you can only edit some of the properties through property editor. Maybe in the future update they can add all of the properties and you can edit easily through property editor. So that was a quick look at the Flutter property editor, a fantastic new feature that saves time and boosts productivity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Also, let me know in the comments, have you used the property editor yet? Do you like this kind of visual editing in Flutter? See you in the next one. Until then, happy coding with Flutter. Allah Hafiz.